I have here a disposable toilet brush. I'm going to open it up, take everything out, and I'm going to use it. So it comes with some different refills here, some instructions, some mounting hardware, and the brush handle, and the dispenser. So now I'm going to take this piece, stick it to the wall, so then I can just slip this piece on at the back, and then this will be stuck to the wall. So I got it stuck on the wall, super easy to put onto the wall. Now it's easy access whenever I need to clean the toilet. So when you're using it, push the button at the top here, and then this piece will just clip in. And when you're done, you just click it again, and you can toss this piece at the bottom. So when it's time to use it, just pull this up. This part will open, and then I can take this, take it, clip it on. Then I have this, and I'm ready to clean. So now I just need to clean the toilet. You can see it's starting to clean it really easily. It's foaming up, and the brush is doing all the work for me. So you can see it's foaming up good. It's cleaning the toilet really well. It's really easy to hold the brush and to clean. It's going to be really nice that I can just toss this piece when I'm done. So now that I'm done, I can just push the button. It will release and I can throw it away. I can flush my toilet and it'll be all clean. Now that I'm done, all I have to do is push this down. It will automatically close itself, and that's ready for next time. I don't have to worry about touching anything, which is really nice. My hands will stay nice and clean. So this disposable toilet brush is super nice, really convenient, really easy to use. Just one hand will open it up. I don't have to touch anything and clean, and I can put it back. So I'd recommend it to anyone that needs an easy way to clean their toilets and clean it really well.